Hey gang, welcome back to Learning to Survive. Big John, Terry, and Cletus here with you as usual. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the Scorching Sands Pocket Knife that we got in the last SHTF Mystery Gear Box. Man, it's a great looking knife. It really is, but it's big. So we're going to put it through its paces. We're going to see what it can do. But the biggest announcement today, guess what's back? Beer! Chris should be so happy. Is that one hell of a... What do you think about that, Poster? What the hell are you thinking? Hey gang, thanks for sticking around. Like I said, we're taking a look at the Scorching Sands Pocket Knife, but more importantly, we got beer. We're back to beer. I want you to look at that head on that beer. That's beautiful. Just take a moment, pause the video, look at it, like it, love it. It's incredible. Yes, I did a great job. I like the little overflow, a little bit, just that little. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Anyway. So we're back to the beer. I'm not promising the beer is going to be in every video from now on, but we have Evil Catfish IPA. You know, I picked these beers for their names. It's from the Barrow Brewing Company. There you go. Evil Catfish. Local legend says an evil catfish tricked the Indian maiden Serena into being a mermaid forever. She swam with the fish in exchange for the love of the chief's son. With a full malty body and prominent spicy mop notes, this beer will capture you just like the catfish ensnared the maiden. There you go. Evil Catfish. We know how I do with IPAs. It's hit or miss, man. So we're gonna give it a shot. I like it. I like this one. Oh, that's good, man. You know, I usually like darker beers, but it's not too hoppy. It's not too crazy. I do get the, what did it say? Spicy hop notes. Wow. All right. Evil Catfish. Killing it. I like it. Oh, yeah. All right. That's a good one, guys. Check out Evil Catfish. I like Evil Catfish. All right. Like I said, we're checking out the Scorching Sands Everyday Carry Knife. Excuse me, fellers. I carried this knife for one day. And it's just too big. It's just too big. That was kind of a delayed reaction. It usually opens great. It was probably me. I'm probably the problem. There we go. But I mean, look at the size of this thing. I mean, it's huge, right? reminds me of a line of Boondock Saints, you know. So we're looking for a freaking huge knife. It's just, man, I got pretty big hands, okay? And for the hilt to be sticking out that much, and don't get me wrong, that'd be awesome in a fight to have that sticking out, and this big ass blade, and just bam, bam, smack, you know, I mean, just, you could, ugh. And the handle feels great in my hand. Feels great. From a self-defense standpoint, it feels awesome, but it's so big to carry. And the blade is just wicked looking. I mean, if somebody wanted to get in a knife fight with you and you pulled this thing out, the first thing in their mind is going to be, oh shit. You know, I mean, it's got no jimping, which kind of sucks. But it's one of those knives that I love, but I hate. I mean, I love it, man. The handle feels awesome. I mean, it feels incredible. The whole knife just feels great. It's big and it's beefy, but it's too freaking big to carry in your pocket. I mean, it'd be a great, you know, pack carry knife, get home bag carry knife, bug out bag knife. I mean, but to EDC this thing, I may try to do it a couple more days and get back with you guys, which I never do. I say I'm always going to get back with you, and I never get back with you. And I'm so sorry for that. I don't mean to lie to you. I just... Anyway. But it just like, it's, you know, it's got a couple little cutouts, you know, for finger holes down here, the finger grips. Oh, man, it feels so good. Just, you just want to go chop down trees with this sucker. It feels so good. I'm telling you, I'm serious. But it's so big. I don't know. Anyway, let's get into some specs. First, let's have some more beer. Oh, it's so good. All right. Scorching Sands Clip Point Pocket Knife. Officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps Battle Ready Pocket Knife. Alright, I'm going to have to break in here. Officially licensed by the U.S. Marine Corps. I have some buddies that are Marines. They're not in the Corps anymore, but, you know, there's no such thing as an ex-Marine. And don't make that mistake. Don't ever introduce somebody as an ex-Marine, because you're going to get this response. Hey, this is my buddy Bob, who's an ex-Marine. There's no such thing as an ex-Marine. Once a Marine, always a Marine. Hoorah! Don't ever do that. No. I'm just telling you. I'm just giving you a little pre-warning that you introduced him as a Marine who is no longer in the Corps. The Marines have a very, 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 very high standard for everything. I'm not putting down the other parts of the military. Excuse me, but I can't stop my nose from running. It's been like this for over a week now, and it just won't quit. So I'm going to pause right here, and I'm going to blow my nose. So, I find it very, very hard to believe that the Marines, what they say, officially licensed a $20 knife. Okay, we'll see. Let's move on. It has a 4.5-inch stone-washed 3CR13 steel blade, textured ergonomic G10 handle, assisted opening thumb stud, pocket clip with U.S. Marine Corps cutout, closed length 5.5 inches. Product description: poised and ready for action. No matter the job or environment, our Scorching Sands clip point pocket knife is officially licensed for battle by the U.S. Marine Corps. It has a 4.5-inch stone-washed 3CR13 steel clip point blade, which can be quickly deployed with the assisted opening mechanism using the thumb stud. The ergonomically contoured textured handle is constructed of heavy-duty G10 and features a stone-washed metal clip with the USMC cutout. Just how I felt that should be written. So it sounds like a badass. I mean, especially when I read it like that. I should be doing commercials or something. So let's see just how much of a badass it is, and let's put it through the implements of destruction. But first, oh man, I'm telling you, that is a smooth, good beer right there. All right. Le pepper test. I don't know why I said that with a French accent, and I don't know the French word for test. It kind of ripped it more than cut it, but yeah, oh yeah. Well, the last part's pretty good. It's just, yeah. It's just like ripping the paper more than it's cutting it. Yeah. Not sharp. Let's see how tough it is. Paracord, one loop, pull through. I hope you can tell by the sound how much force I had to put into that. Yeah, I'm not. I just don't see a bunch of Marines carrying this thing. I just, you want to carry this knife? Not really. Cut through. Oh, the cut through did well. The slice, if you want to call it. Let's try 3 of them. On the slice. Didn't get through all of them. Really jagged cut. Had to put a lot of force into it. Took 2 swipes. Cardboard. Well, I don't have a whole lot of hope here. Oh, hey, easy. Don't knock over the beer. Alright. Not impressed. I mean, it did cut through the cardboard, kind of, with a whole lot of force, but it didn't just, like, kill it. Ripped the paper, barely cut through the paracord. Oh, excuse me. A little beer burp there. Another one. Most people would edit that out. You know, I mean, if you put this thing on the sharpener, on your Lansky or your onion or whatever, it would probably be a pretty good knife. But other than that, you know, I don't expect to get a knife that I have to sharpen right out of the box. I just really don't. That doesn't make any sense to me. I don't understand that. You know, when people do videos of knives and they say, it'd be a great knife, you know, if you sharpened it up. Well, it should come sharpened up. You know, you shouldn't have to sharpen a brand new knife. You know, I don't get that. I don't understand that. You know, and it's like you're making an excuse for the knife. No, I'm not making an excuse for this knife. It's not very sharp. It's not very tough. It's just not. Now, if you did sharpen it, would this knife be tough? I think absolutely. I think this would be a great tough knife. Again, to put in a pack, but to EDC this thing, no. I mean, I might try to EDC it one more time just to see. But it feels so good. I mean, I so wanted this knife to just kill it. It feels so good in your hand. I just wanted this knife to just like slice through everything, cut through the box like it was butter and be like, yeah, all right. This knife's badass. I'm gonna carry this thing, but it's not. It's just not. So you know what? We'll have a drink of beer instead. That's it. That's it, man. I don't have any more to say about the knife. So comment below. What did you think? What do you think of the knife? I'm sure I know what most of you think. It's just mediocre at best. Hey gang, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. As always, I love my troops. Thank you for your service. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications when I post new videos. To all my subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much. I really, really do appreciate y'all. Comment below, man. I love talking to y'all. I love interacting with you guys. Excuse me. So please comment just so I can talk to y'all and we can interact back and forth. If you're watching this video, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe. There's gonna be a little picture of me popping up right up in here, and you can just click on that and subscribe. It's super simple, super easy. And I need subscribers, so please click on it. I'm crying a lot in this video. I don't know what's going on with me. I don't know. Maybe I'm getting in touch with my emotional side. Anyway, hey gang, thanks for watching. I appreciate all of you. As always, you and me together, we're learning to survive. And until next time, we'll see you. Hey gang, welcome back to Learning to Survive. Big John, Terry, and Cletus here with you as usual. And in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at this knife that I can't remember the name of. Yeah, that'll be it. The Scorching Sands Pocket Knife. Scorching Sands. Scorching Sands. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, look at that. The perfect